Welcome back to the Cocktail Corner. Today, we're diving into a foundational ingredient in mixology that can take your drinks from good to great: bitters. Whether you've seen them on a bar shelf or heard about them in recipes, we'll break down what they are, how they're used, and why they're a game changer.
Bitters are highly concentrated flavoring agents made by infusing herbs, spices, roots, and other botanicals into a neutral spirit. Think of them as the salt and pepper of the cocktail world. A little goes a long way to enhance flavors.
There are four major categories of bitters. Let's start with aromatic bitters. The most common type, with brands like Angostura and Peychaud's leading the charge. These bitters add warmth and spice, perfect for whiskey-based cocktails. Next are citrus bitters. Bright and zesty, citrus bitters bring a refreshing kick to drinks like margaritas or gin and tonics. Continuing are the herbal and spiced bitters. Complex and earthy, these bitters often include ingredients like cardamom, cinnamon, or gentian root, making them great for unique flavor profiles. Finally, there are specialty bitters. From chocolate to lavender to celery, specialty bitters can add creative twists to your favorite drinks. When using bitters, a little goes a long way. Start with 1 to 2 dashes and adjust to taste. Add bitters directly to your mixing glass or shaker before stirring or shaking your cocktail. Bitters add depth and balance to cocktails, rounding out sweetness, enhancing complexity, and tying together all the ingredients in your drink. Think of them as the secret weapon for elevating your mixology game. And there you have it, everything you need to know about bitters. Next time you're crafting a cocktail, experiment with a dash or two and see how it transforms your drink. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time at the Cocktail Corner.